Bengaluru witnessed an emotional tribute to Royal Challengers Bengaluru's historic IPL journey with the unveiling of the 11 Hearts community wall mural at Orion Mall, Brigade Gateway on May 30th. The mural was created by artists of Bengaluru and Unboxing Bengaluru to celebrate RCB's long-awaited IPL title win and to remember the 11 people who lost their lives during the tragic stampede that followed the celebrations earlier last year. The artwork reflected the city's 18-year connection with the slogan, "E Sala Cup Namdo." It paid tribute to Virat Kohli, who remained with the franchise since the inaugural IPL season, and to captain Rajat Patidar, who led the team to its maiden title. Organizers said the 11 hearts painted on the wall carried a dual meaning, honoring the 11 victims and symbolizing the players who brought glory to the city. The unveiling came as excitement built for the IPL 2026 final, scheduled for May 31st at the Narendra Modi Stadium, where defending champions Royal Challengers Bengaluru were set to face the Gujarat Titans in the title clash. The 20-foot by 8-foot mural stood as a tribute to Bengaluru, its people, and a chapter that combined celebration, heartbreak, and remembrance.